Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Disney Plus content not loading. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your start menu and then type in settings and then open it. Now once you're here, what you need to do is select the option that says apps right here. Now once you're here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then find in your Disney Plus app. Let me just assume this W Access is my Disney Plus app, and once you tap on it here, you'll find the option that says advanced options. Simply click on it, and now on clicking it, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the reset option. Simply click on reset and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your app. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your Microsoft Store. So open up your start menu, type in store, or you can just simply select Microsoft Store, and here type in Disney Plus and then check to see the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.